So this EK mounting bracket, I initially bought this for AM4 when it comes out, but I'm going to need this to be able to install. So again, reading of the back plate that I've got on there is fine. So that's going to sit on there like that, but I've got to replace this. Jesus. Oh boy. Okay, so let's get back to unscrewing this. And not with a screwdriver. Where's that Allen key gone? Losing of the Allen keys. Check. Oh, there it is. Nope, got it. So back to unscrewing this. How am I going for battery? Good. Still 3/4 left on my battery, so I'm going to get as far as I possibly can with this, and then I might have to make a part 2. In a previous video I mentioned how I don't understand why people like when they do an unboxing and they then do the installation. I said I didn't understand why they do like 1 and 2, but I actually get it now. It's because their video camera might possibly not have enough battery or memory, so they have to split it up into part 2s. So it's coming off, not a problem at all. At all. Yeah, there we go. So that comes off there. That's good. Alrighty, where we got? So this has to come off. That there, that's the Intel bracket, and we have to replace it with this, the AMD bracket. So we're just gonna sit that very gently on there like so. There we go, you see that resting there. We are then going to take the plate and reapply it like so. Come on now, be good to me. Be good to me. Okay. You. Yes, yes, yes. There we go. Okay. I tell ya, if I didn't love computers so much and know that you get, you know, so it's like better, like literally, if I didn't know and had physically seen the benefits that you get from water cooling compared to an air cooler, I wouldn't be dicking around with this shit, let me tell you. But it is good fun, you know, as much as I whinge and complain, it's really very stimulating and I love it. You know, get to make a video. I always wondered if it would be hard to talk to a camera, but you know, it's no different really than talking to people, because whatever is put on the camera goes to people anyway, so, or people watch it anyways. There we go. Just last little bit of tightening. And we have a fully you know what? Oh no, that'll be good. I think that's alright. I wanted to check that rubber grommet or the rubber O-ring was installed properly, but I'm pretty sure it is. So there we have it, ladies and gents. That there as it sits like that. the EK Evo Supremacy water block for water cooling for desktop CPUs. That right there is a full bracket for AM4 and AM3. So now we just need to get our standoffs. Let me revert back to the instruction manual really quick, because instruction manuals are really helpful. Really, really helpful. It'll be in and out. Okay. Removing of the original ones. The outer part, preparing the backplate rubber gasket. Do I really need the backplate rubber gasket? I don't even know. Let me have a look here. I'm not sure we're going to need the backplate rubber gasket because I've already got this backplate, but we'll soon find out. No, I don't think we're going to need the I really don't think we're going to. No, we're not going to need it. Awesome. So where are we at? Let's put you back there. Alright, let's put you back there and let's start getting some of these standoffs. Start getting some of these standoffs. Okay, so here are the standoffs. And screws and so on. So you put the O-ring, this little O-ring that sits on that, and then you screw it into the backplate like so. Nope, not like so. Give me a minute. Where'd that go? Looks like I lost that O-ring. Lucky they come with spares. It's a good thing for me they come with spares. Let me see if that's gonna, is it gonna thread into there? Doesn't look like it. Nope, we are gonna need that. God. Bear with me. This is only my third water cooling attempt. This can be learning for you guys too, right? I like the MX process, installation process. Better than I do the AMD one, let me tell you. Dude. That was for the AM3. Ah, there it is. Okay, we're good. We're good. That is not good. It says to use that though. I don't know what it's... I don't think these are going to screw into there, is it? I don't want to screw in there. No, that's just going to thread. Ah, that's better. That's got it. Alright. So, where are we at? Where are we at? Just gotta go like this. Yep. No. Damn it. Most definitely isn't for the AM3, is it? I might be missing a back plate. Damn it. No, 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 no. Not good. Well, guys, I might have to stop the video there because I don't have the right backplate. Yeah. All right. Well, I've got to this point. I've done the unboxing of that. I tried to get as far as I could in the video with the build, but I've hit a point now where I'm going to have to stop and make a part 2. So yeah, I'll see you in part 2.